sense of belief. I just cry at my pity party.